VGR V-278. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger. The box is bigger than this one, and I think I got the gold one because I got the tick here. I like the gold one because it looks more expensive. And then okay, the same 2000 mAh lithium battery, taper level multi-cut, cordless or cord, professional blade, and there is also power level here. You can see the numbers, how many percent left. Okay, alright, what else? Okay, we have guide comb, we have stainless steel blade, taper level, this is quite important, adjustable tip control cutting length, okay, and then we have also on or switch on button on the side of it, and also LED display. And then we have more here. We have 6 pieces guide comb. This one we have only three, and this one we have 6 pieces, and also we have cleaning brush, the same one. The rest are the same. So 3 hours charging time and 3 hours operating time. So it's the same. Okay, let's open it now. This one is slightly expensive than this one, but not too expensive. Just a few ringgits expensive. Not that much expensive. I bought 2 because I think I want to see what is the difference, okay, between a hair clipper and hair trimmer. I know the hair trimmer is for the precise things, like you want to do your sideburn, your edge, your end of your hair, but the hair clipper is more like the overall, your overall hair. So I think I will need 2 of these. So I want to try. Okay. But this is my first time buying these VGR things, so I feel quite excited because when I see video, it is quite nice. It's quite sharp, and I will try to try is it sharp enough. Okay, the next video. So you can see here, gold color, yay, gold color, gold color. The cover, got gold color, feels nice. Okay, it feels heavy but not too heavy. Okay, this one is heavier, but for the size, it feels comfortable, not too heavy. Heavy but not too heavy. But this one is heavy for its size. The trimmer is heavy for its size, and this one is just comfortable. Okay, you feel like okay, nice, perfect way. Okay, and then this is and then you will see the rest. Okay, same one. We have oil and brush, cord. We have slightly more amount of comb. Okay, and extra. I think this one is just extra comb. This one is quite interesting. And also we have manual. Okay. So that's it. That's it in the box. Nothing more. Nothing more. I will arrange it for your view. Okay, cord, comb, oil, brush. So this is it. And then we'll look at this first. Hair clipper model V-278, input 5 volts, 1 ampere, main NPRC. Okay, this is the power, so it has stopper. We have to remove the stopper, so it's quite nice. We have to remove the stopper first. Wow. Okay, this is like feel expensive one, because it's quite particular with it contains stopper as well, and also we have the cover of this one. Okay. Alright, this is the titanium or what? Yeah, it said this is a titanium cover in here. Okay, let's try to shoot it on. 100% battery, power left, it's already charged. The sound is nice, eh? The sound is nice. The sound is nice. Okay, it's all functioning. Okay, we can. Okay. Okay. Functioning well. How about the charger? We must check everything to be perfect. Yeah? If not, we have to return it. Okay, how does it look like when it's charging? See, wow, it is so beautiful. Eh? The moving, it's like you have a handphone here. Okay, quite nice, and then also you can use like this. Okay, so finally I got two types of trimmer, which is really interesting. I'm really excited to try. Okay, I'm really excited, seriously. Okay, to be honest. Okay, look at this. I got two trimmers. This one and this one. So I got two. Yeah. This one is trimmer. It's quite smaller. We can compare the size. So if you guys are confused which one to buy, so you can see at the size. Okay, the comparison of the blade. You can see this is the comparison of the trimmer blades and the hair clipper blades. You know, I think it is just 1 cm different. Okay, 1 cm or 2 cm difference. Okay, can we let's try to differentiate the sound. Obviously, the hair clipper has more noise in it. This one is feels more okay, silent. Okay, it's more interesting. The sound is more okay. This one is, you know, more like sharp. I don't know. We'll try it later. But the comparison, you can see the hair trimmer has no LED. Okay, compared to this one, we have the LED to show the power left. But I think that's not a big problem, because you can feel when it is, you know, after 3 hours of use, you know, you just plug in the charging. Alright, that's all I think for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please wait for my next video. I want to try both of these hair trimmer and hair clipper to cut real hair. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.